Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more steno dictations. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of near about 90 wpm. Start. By no means it is suggested that whenever such charge of rape is made where the victim is a child, it has to be treated as a gospel truth and the accused person has to be convicted. Full stop. We have already discussed above the manner in which testimony of the prosecutrix is to be examined and analyzed in order to find out the truth therein and to ensure that deposition of the victim is trustworthy. Full stop. At the same time, after taking all due precautions which are necessary when it is found that the prosecution version is worth believing, the case is to be dealt with all sensitivity that is needed in such cases. Full stop. In such a situation, one has to take stock of the realities of life as well. Full stop. Various studies show that in more than 80% cases of such abuses, perpetrators have acquaintance with the victims who are not strangers. Full stop. The danger is more within than outside. Full stop. Most of the time, acquaintance rapes when the culprit is a family member are not even reported for various reasons not difficult to fathom. Full stop. The strongest among those is the fear of attracting social stigma. Full stop. Another deterring factor which many times prevent such victims or their families to lodge a complaint is that they find whole process of criminal justice system extremely intimidating. Coupled with complaint is that they find whole process of criminal justice system extremely intimidating, coupled with absence of victim protection mechanism. Full stop. Therefore, time is ripe to bring about significant reforms in the criminal justice system as well. Full stop. Equally, comma, there is also a dire need to have a survivor centric approach towards victims of sexual violence, particularly the children, keeping in view the traumatic, long lasting effects on such victims. Full stop. Stanza. After thorough analysis of all relevant and attendant factors, we are of the opinion that none of the grounds on which the High Court has cleared the respondent has any merit. Full stop. By now, it is well hyphen settled that the testimony of a victim in cases of sexual offences is vital, and unless there are compelling reasons which necessitate looking for corroboration of a statement, the courts should find no difficulty to act on the testimony of the victim of a sexual assault alone to convict the accused. Full stop. No doubt her testimony has to inspire confidence. Full stop. Seeking corroboration to a statement before relying upon the same as a rule in such cases would literally amount to adding insult to injury. Full stop. The deposition of the prosecutrix has thus to be taken as a whole. Full stop. Needless to reiterate that the victim of rape is not an accomplice and her evidence can be acted upon without corroboration. Full stop. She stands at a higher pedestal than an injured witness does. Full stop. If the court finds it difficult to accept her version, it may seek corroboration from some evidence which lends assurance to her version. Full stop. To insist on corroboration, except in the rarest of rare cases, is to equate one who is a victim of the lust of another with an accomplice to a crime and thereby insult womanhood. Full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 90 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा एंड वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा and must subscribe our channel for more steno related dictation, legal, editorial and general